In this video, we're gonna take a look at Mint Mobile and Visible to see which one is better. So here I have a list with different key facts. So we're gonna take a look at coverage and pricing. So Mint is using T-Mobile for their network and Visible is using Verizon. Now the prices. So for Mint, it's from $15 up to $40 per month, and for Visible 25 up to $45 per month. Then we have speed and perks. So as you can see, Mint they offer 5G speed. So as you can see, no cap, so you can use it unlimited, and same for Visible. Now mobile hotspot, so you're gonna basically have 10 gigabytes worth of 5G speed, and basically this will be available for unlimited plans. And for Visible, it's unlimited at 5 megabytes per second. Then streaming, so as you can see, for 80p videos, and for Visible it's up to 4K. Now basically, if you want something premium and fast, I suggest you to go with Visible. So basically that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, guys.